Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BEN token. Now the BEN token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today. It's doing amazing already. It was up 200% a second ago. It is still up 171.8% today, doing very well. This is definitely meme season. We have another meme token doing well, and it is the BEN token. We're going to go over the information on BEN and how you can get them in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps, so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, bencoineth.com is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap along with their Etherscan, their Twitter, which is at bencoin_eth, or their Telegram at bencoineth. You can also find their price chart and contract address. Name of the token and the ticker symbol are the same, BEN. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, this token's doing very well. Market cap right now is $9.3 million. Fully diluted market cap, $10.4 million. 24-hour trading volume, $8.7 million. Now, if you go over to their Etherscan, it says they have 1,613 holders so far. Off to a good start. 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. Of course, it is that number. That is the meme number. Now, their Telegram at bencoineth, 763 members, 263 online. It says, BEN is a first-of-its-kind influencer meme token. With every BEN token, you get a small piece of me, it says. So that's what it says on Telegram here. That's all the info they give you. Now, if you go over to their Twitter, you can see this is a very, very brand new project. Their Twitter just joined in May 2023. They have 1,361 followers. It says, just another meme coin, or is it? 140 tweets, though, and they literally just joined within the last week. That is a lot of action. They tweet a lot on here. They have a DEX screener, link, contract address, the chart, all that type of stuff is in the their pinned tweet, so check that out. Talking about how they just got listed on CoinMarketCap. So, if we head to their official webpage, bencoineth.com, it says, hello, my name is Ben, attention economy pioneer. And they have a link to their chart, Twitter, and Telegram. So it says, about me. I was watching friends get rugged. I had to do something. I am Ben, a retired chemistry professor with a passion for reading and adventure. I have recently discovered the exciting world of cryptocurrency and have been exploring the possibilities of blockchain technology. As a curious, adventurous dog, I understand the desire to break free from the ordinary and strive for something greater. That is why I have spent countless hours studying and researching tokenomics and blockchain technology, hoping to find a way to make a positive impact in the world. I saw a lot of people looking for a fair token and getting rugged over and over. I had to do something, and now I have an idea for my own cryptocurrency token. It may be risky, but I believe in it with all my heart and soul. I know the market can be volatile, and there are many scams out there, but I am confident that my token will be different. In fact, stake my social value on it. As a young and genius dog, I am not afraid of a challenge. Launching my own token may be a huge risk, but it may be a risk worth taking. I am willing to put everything I have into this venture, knowing that I could lose it all, but I am also aware that this could be a breakthrough I have been waiting for. I am excited and nervous at the same time, but I am ready to take on this challenge with enthusiasm and determination. I know it won't be easy, but I am prepared to face any obstacle that may come in my way. So, whether you are a fellow adventurer, a curious reader, or simply someone looking to make a positive change in your life, I invite you on this exciting journey. Let us explore the possibilities of blockchain technology together and strive for something greater. Barks and Adventure, Ben. And then it has the contract address right underneath that. And that is literally all their webpage says. Now there is a there is a picture of a Bored Ape for some reason. Maybe the owner of this project owns this specific Bored Ape or something, but for some reason there's a Bored Ape with a crown on here. I have no idea why. And then there's also a picture of Ben. Now Ben is obviously a meme that has existed before. I've seen him, I believe he's like one of them talking video games. I'm pretty sure. Like there's a couple different video games where you talk into your phone, and then the thing talks back to you, and it's Ben and Ben's voice or whatever. So yeah, I'm sure people have seen this meme before. Right now it's up 218.68%, doing extremely well. Now, the thing about this token is very scarce information. I do not see like a team doxed. I don't see audit, KYC, Seifu badge, all that type of stuff. Now, they could have some of those things on their Twitter. Now, I didn't review all 140 tweets yet, so don't quote me that they don't have that stuff, but I don't see, I mean, they should post it on their, excuse me, they should post it on their webpage if they do have an audit and KYC, and they didn't. So they do have a quote here. It says, Ben is live. The facts, the coin has my, so this is from a guy named Ben Armstrong. He says, the coin has my name. We have a Ben DAO on Telegram. So they're saying that they have governance on Telegram. So if you join the Telegram, maybe you can get involved with voting. So it says, Ben's are better than Jeff's. So we could easily take over Jeff Coin as the #1 name on the blockchain. Now, I just posted a video about the Jeff Coin yesterday, so check that token out. That token did extremely well, and so I guess they're trying to compete with that coin specifically. But that's, I mean, you can review 140 tweets here for some more information, but besides that, I do not see... So, yeah, it says 60% of the total supply will be made available at a price of blah, blah, blah. So they do have a few more links of information on, like, different ether scans, things like that you could check out, addresses. They talk about airdrops on here, all sorts of stuff. So, yeah, check out their Twitter if you want more info. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Ben? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.